Bakerworks. Hi guys, today we will teach you how to make ensaymada. Ensaymada is a pastry product from Majorca, Balearic Islands, Spain. It is a common cuisine eaten in southwestern Europe, Latin America and Southeast Asia, mainly the Philippines. The Philippines also adopted the Majorcan ensaymada, commonly spelled Ensaymada in Filipino. As a Spanish colony for over 300 years, the Philippine variant has evolved over the centuries and is perhaps one of the most common delicacies in the country. The localized pastry is a brioche baked with butter instead of lard and topped with grated cheese and sugar and can be found in almost all neighborhood bake shops. Other versions are topped with buttercream, salted egg slices, and a specially aged type of Edam cheese called queso de bola. The ensaymada of Pampanga features a very rich dough with layers of butter and cheese. It is customary to eat ensaymada with hot chocolate made with native tabli during the Philippine Christmas season. Ingredients: 1 1/4 cups all-purpose flour, sifted, 1/2 cup plain butter, melted, 1/2 cup grated cheddar cheese, 6 egg yolks, 1 tablespoon plain honey, 1 tablespoon powdered milk, preferably full cream, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 3/4 cup water, 3/4 cup white sugar, 1 1/2 tablespoons yeast, 1/2 cup salted butter, softened. Cheese topping ingredients: 1/2 cup unsalted butter, 1/2 cup cheese, Edam or queso de bola, grated, 1/2 cup white sugar. Instructions: 1. In a mixing bowl, mix together milk, shortening, sugar and salt. 2. Add half of the flour and the bloomed yeast and mix for 3 to 5 minutes at medium speed until a paste-like consistency is achieved. 3. Add the egg yolks and the rest of flour and mix for another 3 minutes. Add more flour if the mixture is too liquid or too sticky, but not too much. The dough is supposed to be sticky. 4. Scrape the sides while folding the dough in the middle of the bowl and then cover with kitchen towel. Let it rest and rise in a warm place for 2 to 3 hours or until it doubled its size. 5. Scrape the sides of the bowl while tipping the sticky dough over to the thinly floured working surface. 6. Roll the dough into a log and cut into 2. Roll each log again and cut into 2. Repeat this process until you end up with 16 slices. 7. Using a rolling pin, roll a slice into a rectangle about 8 by 4 inch and brush the surface with softened butter. Roll it from one end of the long side to the other end, creating a long, thin log, then shape it into a coiled spiral with the end tucked under. 8. Place each coiled dough in a greased mold and let it rest in a warm place for about 30 minutes to 1 hour until it has risen to almost double its size. 9. Bake them in a preheated oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit, 150 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. Once baked, let them cool down for a few minutes before removing from molds, then let them cool completely. 10. Meanwhile, prepare the buttercream by creaming 1/2 cup of softened butter and 1/2 cup powdered sugar. Using a knife or spoon, cover the top of the ensaymadas with buttercream and lastly with a generous amount of grated cheese. If you enjoyed the video, please hit like and subscribe. Also hit the bell button so that you will be notified once we upload a new video. Thank you for watching.